Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify student loan interest benefits with SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SoFi website. Once there, locate the student loan section. Click on the option that pertains to student loan interest benefits. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information to register. After registering, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Benefits or Loan Details section. Here, look for information regarding interest rates and benefits. Read through the details provided about student loan interest deduction eligibility. Ensure you have your loan information handy for reference. If needed, review the eligibility criteria listed on the website. Check if your loans qualify for interest benefits based on your financial situation. If you're unsure, reach out to SoFi's customer support for clarification. You can contact them via phone, chat, or email. Be ready to provide your loan details for faster assistance. Once you have verified your benefits, take notes of important details. Consider consulting a tax professional regarding how to apply these benefits. Keep all relevant documentation for your records. Regularly check the SoFi website for any updates or changes in benefits. Stay informed to maximize your student loan interest benefits effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.